Hello, my name is Sneha. I am from Canada. I live in a small town Verona. But I have dream. I want to study in London. London is a big city. It has many famous places like the Big Ben, London Eye and Buckingham Palace. I want to see these places. I also want to learn English better. I think London is the best place for that. Verona is a quiet place with beautiful old buildings and friendly people. I have lived here all my life. I go to school every day. I like to play football with my friends. I also like to read and watch movies. Every day, I think about London. Imagine myself working on its streets, visiting museums and going to a big school. I feel excited when think about it. But there is a problem. My parents are worried about my dream. On evening, I sat with my parents in the living room. I say, Dad or Mom, I want to talk you. They look at me and say, What is it, Sneha? I take a deep breath and say, I want to study in London. I want to go there next year. My dad looks surprised. He says, But Sneha, London very far. It is a big city, it can be dangerous. My dad nods and says, Yes Sneha, we are worried about you. You are safe here Verona. I understand their worries. London is far from home. It is a big change. But I feel ready. I say, I know it is far. But I am careful. I want to learn and see the world. My parents look at each other. They are silent for a moment. Then my mom says, We love you, Sneha. We want you to be safe. But we also want you to be happy. My dad adds, We need to think about this. It is a big decision. I feel hopeful. I know they are worried, but they also want me to be happy. I smile and say, Thank you, Mom and Dad. I will be careful. I promise.